In this video, you're going to learn how to move sections up and down on any website page. Starting from the main dashboard, the first step is to just go ahead and select a website that you're going to be working off of. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be going into sportsfootage.com. Simply click on whichever page you would like to customize. In this case, I've clicked on the home page template, and I can scroll down on this page and I can see a variety of sections, all right? You'll know when a section stops and starts because there'll be a blue menu bar on the top right corner. So as I scroll down, I can see all these different elements that are included in this section. And as soon as I see a new blue menu bar, I know that this is a new section. So as you can see, there's a new section here, a new section here, a new section here. Now, if you'd like to move specific sections either up or down, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and look for that blue menu bar, and you'll see two arrows, right? Two arrows on that blue menu bar on the right hand side. There's an up arrow. By clicking on that, you'll simply be moving this section up one section. As you can see, this section, which was the top of the page, has now jumped below the selected section that we chose to move up the page. Similarly, we can also scroll down, go ahead, hover on the background, look for that blue menu bar, and we can use these arrows to move section 2 down to section 3. Simply clicking that down arrow, as you can see now, we have section 1, scrolling down, section 2, and that selected section that we chose to move down from section 2 is now in section 3. Now you can continue scrolling down the page looking for that blue menu bar by hovering on the background of that specific section and selecting that section and choosing it to either move up or down by hovering and clicking on either the up or down arrow. If you've watched other tutorials on editing text, adding images, you do need to manually click save on this right-hand menu if you're working with specific elements. But just to show you, if we do navigate back to our dashboard, we come into our selected website, come back to this home page that we have been customizing, you'll see that the changes that we've made by moving these sections up and down have saved on our website. So get creative, be able to now move sections up and down, and we'll see you in the next video.